My name is Yaya, and at Demmer Lincoln, we've shown our customers the Demmer difference for decades. The difference is our personalized approach with every individual client. As a family-owned and operated business, we truly value the relationships we build with our clients across all departments and within our community. The service department and Quick Lane at Demmer Lincoln prioritize making your experience with us effortless. We'll work with you around your schedule through call, text, email, video, or in-person visits. We invite you to take advantage of our complimentary pickup and delivery service, allowing you to service your Lincoln without visiting the dealership. It would be our pleasure to pick up your Lincoln at your home or office and leave with you a complimentary Lincoln loaner vehicle until we are ready to return your vehicle back to you at your convenience. The entire experience is seamless. Our service department is always available to assist you on your terms. Thank you for being a loyal Demmer client. We look forward to seeing you soon.